Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every day, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, you click the notification bells button, and you give this video a thumbs up, obviously. Now, Apple event was a couple of days ago, and I just wanted to share with you guys 3 of the most important announcements. At least for me, those are the 3 important ones, at least the ones I actually like. So the first one for me, it has to be the Apple Watch SE. You're still getting the major features on this guy. You're still getting the heart rate sensor. You still have the ability to track your exercises. You're still getting that full screen or the larger screen display, which was introduced on the Apple Watch Series 4, which is the one I actually have here. You're still also getting the noise monitor, that if you are in a place which actually has a lot of noise, it actually notifies you that there's a lot of noise. Now, 2 of the main features that you're obviously not going to be getting in the Apple Watch SE is the blood oxygen and ECG tracker. I mean, probably 90% of people that buy Apple Watch, they mainly buy it to check the time, for the notifications, and also to maybe track their exercises. Now, since we're speaking about the Apple Watch, they also introduced the Solo Loop, which is basically an Apple Watch band designed without a buckle or a clasp, which actually comes in various sizes. I think it has around 10, if not 9 different sizes. And in second, one of the announcements that I actually liked the most was the iPad Air 4, which basically looks like an iPad Pro. You're obviously not going to be getting the 120 Hz display capability, which is a feature that they're actually reserving for the iPad Pro lineup, but just the fact that the design of this iPad Air is similar to the iPad Pro, as you guys can see, it has that all-screen design display. It also has the ability to work with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation, which actually charges docks and synchronizes just by you putting on the side of the iPad, which is really good. Also, one thing that I love about the iPad Pro that they're going to include on this iPad Air is those 4 speakers on the side, which is actually good when it comes for media consumption. So the iPad Air will also come in 3 extra colors, which are the gold, the green, and the sky blue. I don't know about you, but I actually prefer either the silver or the space gray, but if I have to pick between this new introduced color, I think I would go with the sky blue. And if making this iPad similar to the iPad Pro wasn't enough, Apple went on and actually put a better processor inside this iPad. So this iPad will come with the A14 Bionic chip inside, which it's made out of 11.8 billion transistors. They're actually using the 5nm processor. I'm pretty sure the A12 was using a 7nm. Now, I'm not gonna claim that I know a lot about what's the difference between these 2, but just as you can see, they've actually skipped 1 generation and they went straight to the A14, which is something that they mentioned during the keynote. Now, this guy will also be 40% faster than the previous iPad, and the GPU will perform 30% faster as well. Now, in third, I know this is not really a new feature or what's or not, but I know I've mentioned in my past video, especially on the iPhone SE video, that I really love the Touch ID button, and I actually prefer Touch ID as compared to Face ID. And Apple went and actually announced a brand new redesigned Touch ID, which is actually embedded on the power button, which is placed on top of the iPad. I know one of the reasons they might actually have gone with this decision is because of coronavirus and the fact that the Face ID with the mask will not recognize and unlock your device. Now, this iPad will come in 2 different sizes. You have the option to get a 64 gig, which I really think it's okay, and you have the other option of getting a 256 gig. And as I mentioned before, it's also going to come in 5 different colors: silver, space gray, rose gold, green, and sky blue. And for those that have been crying for USB-C in most of Apple's devices, I'm happy to tell you guys that Apple actually went and changed the lightning connector that used to come with the previous iPad Air and put a USB-C connector in the new iPad Air 4th generation. So this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure you let me know down in a comment which of the things that Apple announced on the past event were your favorite. And obviously, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go and you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And I'm going to catch you guys on my next one. Most probably I'm gonna actually go back to my old setup. Peace.